All right, I think we're at session number 6.
We've covered a lot, and I'm sure you have so much to think about already. That's a good thing. It means you've started collecting data and you're doing your own personal analysis. That's what it's all about. You've built a great base already. As this course continues, your knowledge and data analysis skills will continue to grow. Once you've established a solid foundation, you'll apply what you've learned to the rest of the program. The data analysis process will help provide a framework for everything you do. Soon, you'll take your first graded assessment. It's a great way to check your understanding of the concepts and build confidence in your knowledge. Everyone learns at different speeds, so take your time, get familiar with the concepts. As soon as you feel ready, you can go ahead and get started. Keep in mind, if at any point you're not sure about a question, you can always review the videos and readings to remind yourself of the answer. We're all about open book tests here. Once you've passed, you'll be all set to move on. You've got this. Before you know it, you'll be done with all of the courses and you'll be ready to create your own case study. Then, if it's what you want to do, you'll start your job search equipped with the tools and skills that will wow any company you talk to. I can't wait to see where you go with data analytics. For now, though, give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. See you soon.
Wow, I just realized that the my settings in OBS for the volume on my headphones, which is what is recorded to the VOD, has been compressed in the wrong way. I applied a compression filter that is supposed to have a ducking source, and it was set to none, probably because it reset for some reason. But it was supposed to be set on my microphone, so whenever I speak in the microphone, it's supposed to lower the volume of whatever's happening here. But because it was set to none, that means that the volume probably wasn't as loud as it's supposed to be in all the previous recordings. So oops on that, but I'm glad I caught that by reading the audio meter. So that should be good now. What was the takeaway here? Since I wasn't really focused, I was kind of listening in, but I don't think there was anything too important. We're all about open book tests here. I remember him saying that. Everyone learns at different speeds. I think that's the main thing I want to capture in this recording. Otherwise, I would usually probably not write anything for this, because, yeah. Done there. All right, let's commit to completing the program. I already committed. When I signed up for the financial aid program for this course, one of the things that I had to, I guess, write down is to say that I would finish this program, and I'm going to try my hardest to complete it, right? So, did you know learners tend to succeed and get more out of the program if they set their intention to complete it up front, complete your commitment statement below, and reach your goals? This is just for you, and it's not graded. I commit to my goal to complete the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. I choose to complete the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate because I want a new career. Data analytics. Looks interesting. Also, because I have friends who are also interested in the subject. When I run into obstacles or lack of motivation at some point during the program, I will remind myself of this lesson. How I believe that I matched up well with the disciplines of data science. Checking the box to say that I will complete the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, and I'll commit by writing my name down. Today's date is the 27th. this as complete. This program surveys, did I? Oh, it's the next one. So that should be here. Let's go to the next one. Right. It's the link there. And responses and personal data will not affect the course experience scores or ability to receive a certificate or job in any way. Be kept confidential with your name separate from your data. Not be shared outside of the research team, except where you give permission to share contact information with hiring partners. Thanks for your consideration and time. Okay. Entry survey. Why you enrolled in the certificate program? It's graded assignment within an individual course and may be asked to complete a survey that revisits earlier questions and asks what you have learned up to the point in the program. Again, filling out this information is voluntary. Okay, certificate completion survey. After you complete the last graded assignment in the final course of the certificate, you'll be asked to answer a survey that revisits some earlier questions and asks what you have learned throughout the duration of the program. There's contact information with prospective employers. Both filling out the survey and sharing your contact information with prospective employers is completely optional. Again, participating in the survey or sharing your information with future employers will not affect your course experience. Okay, got it. How about that? Okay, I guess here's the first survey. Information provided will be shared with both Google and Coursera. Okay. Are you comfortable with Coursera sharing your response to the survey with Google, who is a partner in the creation of the certificate? Of course. What are your top 3 reasons for enrolling in this certificate program on Coursera? Yeah, why not? I'll learn skills. Yep. Well, not that really, because that says I have a job, which I don't really have one. Learn skills to help me find a new job. Yep. Go beyond my current coursework in school. I'm not in school. Get extra help in the subject area. Meet and get to know people who are also interested. I mean, kind of, but in a way, not too engaged in that portion of what this program has to offer, but we'll see if that changes. But for now, that's going to be a no. Learn more about a subject I'm interested in. Hell yeah. Okay. What country do you reside? I reside in the United States. Describe your race or ethnicity. I'm Asian. What is the highest level of education you have completed or received? I have done some college. Actually, I've done a lot of college, but no degree. But that's for another. That story is for another day. Which of the following best describes your current employment status? I'm unemployed and not looking for work, but I kind of am, but I'm not really going out there and applying for jobs. Right now I'm looking for a new career. I want something new. What is your age? I am in this region right here. Not counting part-time work as a student, how many years of formal work experience do you have in the field? I've worked for a very long time. Which of the following best describes your skill level with the subject matter prior to taking this certificate program? I would say none at all. What is your gender? A male? Have you or your spouse served in the military or armed forces? No. I think I am done. It's complete. On to the discussion forums. With your classmates is an important part of an online course. Beginning of this course, take some time to break the ice to get to know each other using the discussion forum and prompts. I believe I did my meet and greet earlier, right here. So good on that. Profile, okay. Tag. Employer. That's where I was at. Your goals open to you. Oh, why not? Why not? 3-month California, skills wanted. Skills you want. Communications. this. And what else? All of that. All right. Preferred occupation. History. I think that's good for now. Here. Course discussion forums are your chance to interact with thousands of like-minded individuals around the world. In any social situations, or rules of etiquette are expected and contribute to more enjoyable and productive communication. Stay on topic in existing forums and threads. Off-topic posts make it hard for other learners to find information they need. Post in the most appropriate forum for your topic. Okay. Basically, use common sense, I think. One of the best ways to find successful programs to get to know other learners. Connecting with other people makes it easier to share questions and concerns, or brainstorm solutions for any challenges you might face together. Plus, if you don't understand something when looking back over your notes, you can always reach out by posting a new thread with your question. Right. I'm gonna just update my profile. I think that's probably the same page that I was just on. Did this already. Why'd they say 20 minutes here? That is complete. There. Item. science versus data analytics versus data-driven decision making. After some discussion with peers, I've edited the notes. Also would like to mention data analytics are under the umbrella of data science. Oopsie daisy. Data science focuses on making sure that data is reliable, cleaning the data, preparing the raw data so that can be ready for easier analysis, as well as analyzing data and coming up with questions based on the analysis results. Usually data scientists, as we're working with data process, or with data passes, it to data analysts who continue the investigation. Okay. Useful. Now, what do we know about data-driven decision making? Data-driven decision making is using the data to validate your business strategy or course of action. If data analytics falls under data science, then where data-driven decision making falls, based on understanding data-driven decision making falls under data analytics. What do you think, guys? Okay. Wow, there's so many responses. That's crazy. Okay. That's quite interesting right here. So, week 1 has 7,000 threads, while week 2, there was kind of a drop in activity. A lot of people probably figured, oh, this is probably not for me. And it decreases even further. There's something about interesting about week 4 though, since it has 500 and it has more than week 3, which is good. There's like a bump, but then again, at week 5, the last week of this course, it still drops down to 295, which is the lowest of all the weeks, which does not look good. It does not look good. Okay. I think I'm good here. I'm gonna. I think I'll participate later on, when I have some. I'm not so far curious about anything, right? I think later on when hopefully there's labs and stuff, and hopefully those labs are a bit challenging, and they are, and I might have something to write. But now I would just be writing for, just because I'm kind of forcing myself to, but I don't think it'd be really helpful. But what I did was I did read a response, and I think that's good enough. So moving on. All right, here's another practice quiz. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. That's your knowledge on the discussion forum. Oh, that was this. This is a quiz. Oh, okay, so maybe this does not belong here. Actually in progress. I'll grab that link, paste it here. Okay. Which of the following examples is an inappropriate use in the discussion forum? And that's interesting. I guess, and I would say, if we want to keep on topic, then why would you share a picture of your new pet? But then again, I don't think that's as bad as posting answers to the quiz questions, because why would you, right? This is sensible. This is sensible. In order to create clear and engaging discussions in the forum, which type of writing style should you use? Type in complete sentences, because as I saw in the forum, there looked like it's people from all around the world and not just where I'm at, and because there's peoples that may be from places where English isn't like their primary language, so they might not be familiar with like text message language, or if you're typing, I guess, I mean, if all you do is type all lowercase and you still punctuate, it's still clear, but it might be confusing to some people still, I guess. So I'll check these two. When posting in the discussion forum, what type of behavior is acceptable? I think that should be good. Oh crap! I read that. It's getting late, and I'm getting really dyslexic now. I read that as inappropriate, but it's appropriate. Obviously, posting answers to his questions is not appropriate. Oops. Yeah, it's gonna look dumb. Oh, jeez. How about that? That's more. That makes a lot more sense. All right, that probably means that this is gonna be the last thing I study tonight. Gonna relax and do some other things to what do you call it? Regenerate. Yeah, regenerate. That's the word. Okay, so there we go. That should be the answers. There. Oh. Yeah. What was this? How about I leave that as in progress, and I'll fill this out later when I actually have something worthy of writing out. Um, um, remind myself of what that is when I review my notes later on. It's the real quiz? Yep, that's the real quiz. Alright, so definitely not gonna take that now while I'm kind of tired. But let me do this. This I can take now. Wow, that's a lot faster. Okay. Well, I just grabbed that. Let's grab this like that, and there we go. That's good. That's definitely good. Okay. Nice. Okay. That's complete. Alright, I think I am done with the session.